it's me again. So, I know I've been MIA for a while. Nag-try akong magsimula ng vlogging, but then ang daming nangyari sa life ko that I decided na stop muna. And then, there's another major change that's gonna happen to my life, to our family life, in the next few weeks. So I decided na mag-start ulit ng like a video diary, just so I can document the wins, the highs, the lows, the ups, the downs, and everything in between. So I already have a DJI Pocket 3, but then I decided na mag-add ng another camera for vlogging. So yeah, in-order ko siya kahapon. I know matagal na tong lumabas, this camera. Matagal na siyang lumabas. I think around 2022 or 2023. But yeah, so samahan niyo akong i-unbox yung binili ko. Wait lang. So, this is what I got. Bumili ako ng, the brand is Canon. It's Canon PowerShot V10. And I got the advanced vlogging kit. I think meron siyang yung regular lang, but the advanced vlogging kit, meron siyang parang yung cage mismo ng ng camera and lens protector. So actually, anong tawag dito? I got this one because although the DJI Pocket 3 na gamit ko ngayon is very handy, but I think this one is way more better. Well, not really better, but I think okay din siya for like vlogging kasi sobrang liit niya. Sobrang liit niya talaga, like the size of, I think from what I've searched online, the size of credit card, parang ganun. So yeah, so these are what's included in the advanced vlogging kit. So first is this one. It's actually a ring cap to protect the lens of the camera, and then there's also like Fury windscreen. So I think it's for the what do you call this, yung sa mic, kasi meron siyang built-in mic on top, dalawa. So I think it will be really useful. And then another one is just a carry case. So that's the carry case. And then what else? Yeah, ito yung sinasabi ko na cage V10. So actually sobrang liit niya that ang isa pang reason kaya ko siya kinuha is because meron siyang like flip screen. So while recording, pwede kang makita mo yung sarili mo. So yeah, this is how it looks like. So yeah, Canon ng brand na. And then actually in-open ko na yung box kanina, but this one hindi ko pa talaga siya in-open. So let's open it together. So it comes with the manuals. Yeah, manual PowerShot. It says here Canon PowerShot V10. And then when you open the box, look, sobrang liit lang niya talaga. Ito yung nakaka-amaze. So I'm not sure ang laman. Wait lang. So obviously I think this one is the cable cord. Parang type C lang siya na regular. And then ito yung parang strap niya. And then the camera itself, which is very small, like see, para siyang power bank. Yung parang Belkin. Ay, ang liit. Look, sobrang liit niya. Wow. Oh, okay. So ayun, and then ang nagustuhan ko pa dito is, yun nga, meron siyang flip screen, like that. If you're gonna hold and vlog like that, makikita mo yung sarili mo dyan. And then, that's the lens. And then, the best thing about this one is meron siyang parang stand. So, kung shy vlogger ka, like me, or like parang yung ilang ka pa mag-vlog, I think this is the best. Kasi sobrang liit niya. It's the size of like your palm. And then, yeah, meron siyang stand where you can use it, excuse me, you can use it like that, ipatayo. So, pwede siyang ganyan, or like that angle, parang nakaganyan, or flip back pa, or the other side, you can flip it the other way. So, ang ganda niya, kasi sobrang liit lang niya, so hindi talaga siya, like, kung conscious kang mag-vlog, I think this would be great. So, ayun. And then, ito yung sinasabi kong meron siyang dalawang parang, what do you call that one? Yung microphone ata niya. And then, wait, let's turn it on. Paano ba? Ito. Turn on ko siya. Wait, ano ba ito? Kulang sa low bat? I think low bat siya. Or kailangan ko siyang i-charge muna. Anyway, so yeah. And then, let's try opening the yung mga ano niya. Yung mga accessories niya. To see how it looks like. Okay, so ganito siya. And then, okay. So, meron siyang push. Open mo siya. Wait lang. I'm gonna try out. Ilagay ko siya sa ano. So, ganyan siya. Meron siyang parang push button dito. And then, I guess you just slide it. Is it the other way around? Parang, tama ba? Tama ba? Ah, wait. No. Mali. Sorry. Hindi rin. Wait. Ay, nakakabobo naman. Or the other way around, I think. I think it's the other way around. Hindi rin. It's confusing. It is confusing. Ayun. Ayan, so snap lang siyang ganyan. And then that's it. And then, wait lang. And then for the, I think meron siyang ayun. So, yun na nga yun. Meron pa siya. Parang nakita ko kasi siya kung paano na siya i-install. So, para siyang ito, yung sticker na ilalagay mo sa tingnan muna natin. I have no idea kung anong meron dito. So, what's this for? No idea at all. But anyway, I know na itong sticker, this one is a sticker, I think. And, ilalagay mo siya sa, wait. Ayun. So, like that. Ilalagay mo siya dito sa end, kung saan yung stand, para hindi ka mahirap. Parang I think, to hold on to pag tinanggal mo yung ay, wait lang. Confused. Wait. Paano ba? Okay, sorry, I have to cut the video because I had to figure out paano siya gawin. But anyway, so meron pala siyang hati sa dulo and then just like bring the sides together. So ayun na siya. So pag ganon, so pag kunyari gusto mong ganyan na lang, easier. Smart. And then I'm not sure para saan to, kasama siya ng cage. I'm not sure para saan, but anyway, that's that. And then wait lang, let's open the other accessories as well. Ito yung lens cap, so let me open it. Wala kasi akong gunting, my gosh, I forgot. Ay, ang effort beshi, walang gunting. May napansin ba kayo sa akin compared to my last upload? Kumayat ako na. Dami kasing happening sa life. Daming traumas. Anyway, so yeah. Ang laman lang nun is yung lens cap. So parang dito lang siya to protect the lens. So ayan. Para hindi magasgas or whatever. And then, yun nga, yung parang wind. Tawag dito, yung sa microphone. Ito sa microphone siya. And then, the last one is the carry case. So, anyway. Ayun. Paano ba ito? Okay. So, meron siyang sticker na kailangan mong, I think, ilagay sa end. Anyway, later ko na siya i-figure out because it would take time. And then the last one, unboxing lang naman ko, hindi naman to. So, and the last one is, yeah, the carry case, which is this one. So, yeah, it's really, really handy, I think. It's really great kung shy ka and nagsisimula ka palang mag-vlog. I think you should get this Canon V10, PowerShot V10. Yeah. I think it retails dito sa UK ha, ang price nito, I think it retails around, parang I got it for a sale kasi kagabi. So parang yun nga yung deciding factor ko since sale naman siya. But I got this one for £279. I'm not sure kung magkano siya sa Pilipinas. So, kung na-exchange rate is 75, 107,500, 7,500, which is 15, mga around 20 plus, 22, 23, which is not bad for this vlogging camera. So, anyway, that's it for my unboxing. Thank you so much for watching. If umabot kayo sa end ng video, please don't forget to hit like, and subscribe and share. I promise I'm gonna try my best na mag-upload kahit like parang video diary lang siya. Yun. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Bye.